Welcome to the Culinary Health House, you lot. Today we're on a mission to cook up a storm of well-being with the top 20 nutrient-rich foods. We're talking about ingredients so packed with goodness they'd make a salad sing. Listen up, because this isn't some amateur cooking show. We're diving deep into the delicious world of healthy eating, and trust me, you won't want to miss a single bite. Get those notepads ready, because class is in session. By the end of this video, you'll be armed with the knowledge to transform your kitchen into a powerhouse of health. Let's get started, shall we? Leafy greens, the VIPs of vitamins. Spinach, kale, arugula. These greens are packed with more vitamins than a pharmacy. Berries, tiny but mighty flavor explosions. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, antioxidants galore. Salmon, dive into omega-3 heaven. This fish is swimming in omega-3s and protein. Don't be a lazy sod, get grilling. Avocados. Holy guacamole, they're good. Healthy fats, fiber, essential nutrients. Avocados are a party in your mouth. Nuts. A handful of health, not a handful of trouble. Almonds, walnuts, cashews. These nuts pack a punch of protein and fiber. Sweet potatoes, don't be a spud. These are sweet. Fiber, vitamins, antioxidants. Sweet potatoes are the real deal. Greek yogurt, it's all Greek to your gut. Probiotics, protein, calcium. Greek yogurt is a gut-healthy superstar. Eggs crack open a world of nutrition. High-quality protein and healthy fats. Eggs are a breakfast or any time, champion. Broccoli. Your taste buds will thank you. Vitamins, fiber, antioxidants. Broccoli is a nutritional powerhouse. Chia seeds, tiny seeds, massive benefits. Fiber, omega-3, fatty acids, protein. Chia seeds are nutritional overachievers. Garlic ward off more than just vampires. Immune boosting and anti-inflammatory properties. Garlic packs a flavorful punch. Quinoa, the protein powerhouse, that's gluten-free. High-protein, gluten-free quinoa is a complete protein source. Tomatoes, bursting with flavor and goodness. Vitamins, antioxidants, anti-inflammatory properties. Tomatoes are a versatile favorite. Carrots, see clearly with these vitamin A superstars. Beta-carotene, fiber, vitamin A. Carrots are good for your eyes and more. Beans, good for the heart. Protein, fiber, essential nutrients. Beans are a hearty and healthy choice. Oats, start your day the right way. Fiber-rich and heart-healthy. Oats are a breakfast staple for a reason. Pumpkin, it's not just for Halloween. Vitamins, fiber, antioxidants. Pumpkin is a seasonal superstar. Citrus fruits, a zesty boost of vitamin C and antioxidants. Citrus fruits are a refreshing and healthy choice. Green tea, antioxidant powerhouse. Antioxidants and metabolism boosting properties. Green tea is a healthy sip. Olive oil, liquid gold for your heart. Healthy monounsaturated fats. Olive oil is a heart-healthy staple. Now go forth and conquer the kitchen. There you have it, 20 culinary soldiers ready to help you conquer your health goals. Incorporating these nutrient-rich foods into your diet can significantly boost your overall health and well-being. No more excuses for serving up bland, boring meals. It's time to get creative in the kitchen and show your body some love. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Now go forth and cook like you mean it.